Hello, Dr. Brenda here. So I want to talk about the difference between what is a chiropractor, or what's the difference between a chiropractic adjustment and a massage therapist, or getting a chiropractic adjustment versus a massage. Two different things. So first of all, as a chiropractor, I'm not a massage therapist. Sometimes we have to address the tight muscles that surround your spine in order to get the bone to move, but I'm not massaging muscles to get you to feel better. I'm moving the bone off of the nervous system so your body not only feels better, but it starts to function better. So there's a difference between a massage therapist and a chiropractor. Massage therapists go to school for about a year. Chiropractors, we go to school on average around 8 years with undergrad, and then learning the neurology of the body. So very different. So the goal with massage therapy is to get you to feel better. Chiropractic is designed to not only get you to feel better, but to get your body working better, so then you're healthier. So there's a difference. So I hope that cleared it up. drbchiropractor.com. We'll see you next time. Make it a great day.